Jingle Bell Rock.
Good,
Can you do
good.
that?
Oh, where are my jingle bells?
Jingle bells.
You hear that story? They changed the bells and shit in Salvation Army, so it's much
Jingle bells.
Not for the
Jingle
Kiwanis.
bells. Dancing and prancing on the
If the jingle house has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock and jingle bell rock. Now Dancer and Prancer and Donner and Vixen. It's a jingle bell hop.
It's a swell time. You go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle bells, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. With Santa wiggle and a jingle and swing. That's a jingle bell. That's a jingle bell. That's a jingle bell rock. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh. There they go.
Did I just got up and got your guitar? That was really weird. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Rudolph
Without being asked.
Nose reindeer.
That was weird.
Going down in history.
The nose reindeer and her shiny nose.
And if you ever saw it, you would say hello.
All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer game.
Like football.
And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Ho, ho, ho!
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him, and shout out with glee. Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, Rudolph had his story.
Aaron, do you remember this one? Gonna buy a stock. This is out.